Hey, I'm here working today with some molten lead. I've got a lead dipper here, and I've got a mold here, and I also have a little bit of clay. I'm going to try to pour some molten lead into this clay and make a shape. I need a larger piece of lead weight than I have available. I'll show you what I've got here going on. So I've got, this is the molten lead. I don't know if you can see it shimmering there. And this is a pot. I would normally put this over a stove or something to melt the lead, but today I'm trying this electric heater since I'm not doing very much. So I've got a ball of clay here. I just need a round ball, but I need it to be larger than anything I have available. I want a heavier weight, a lead weight. And I also want to be able to put a fishing line through it. And so what I'm going to do is take this stick here and stick that down into the middle all the way through, like that. And I'm going to pour the lead into that, and hopefully I'll end up with something I can use. Get that out of the way. I'm going to put it on here. Mostly, I'm going to actually work it up a little bit into a round shape. I'm not sure what's going to happen when I pour molten lead into this clay. It might not like it, but it only has to work once. And so here we go. I'm going to try it. I want that to be close. So this dipper here, you dip it in that way, and then it's got a little spout on the other end to pour. Making kind of a mess, but it seems to be working. Very hot, I reckon. So now I'm going to let that cool. I've also got a mold here I just want to experiment with while I got it hot. There's some slag on the top here. I'm going to move that away. Actually, I'm going to change the angle so you can see down in there a little better. I'm going to lower my table a little bit. Let's see, is that better? Can you see down in there? A little better, I guess. This is starting to harden here, but it's still smoking, so I'm going to leave that alone. But I've got this mold here. I'm going to close it up and see if I can pour some of this lead into it. So I have to move away the slag to get clean lead into it. I'm not very practiced at this. It seems to happen very quick. Let's see if I can get this. I'm going to get that removed. I'm going to go ahead and dump that back in. When I open this up, you can see what I have there. It's a round ball, and I can cut that off. See if I can get it out of the mold. So there it is. That's what I just molded and shaped. And I can shave that off. This, I guess they call it this little stem or spew. And but I'm going to dump it back in there and try it again. Got another one here. This one's, well, that one's got something in it that's stuck. I'll try this one more time, just to get some practice with it. think this time I'm going to try to pour it, get some practice pouring. All right, that's not bad. Fills that thing up pretty quick. And so here it is again. I can remove that part, open it up, and there's the shape I just molded right there. That works pretty good. Now I'm curious about my clay mold here. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out. I guess the clay here is sacrificial. So that worked pretty good. I got a stick through there. I have to figure out how to get the stick out. I might have to burn it, or yeah, that was something I didn't consider. Oh, there it goes. Luckily, the stick did come out, so I have a clear hole right through this piece of lead here, and I can trim it up a little bit. Just need some strong clippers for that thing. It's a big chunk. And I can put all the old pieces back in. So now I've got a nice weight here. It's not so pretty to look at, but it'll do the job for me. One thing I'm going to do before this cools off, I'm going to try and get the I guess you call it slag out of here. It's like, it looks like dirt. Just said the next time I go to use it, it'll be nice. It sort of looks like mercury. You can see how it develops a coating. In that regard, it doesn't look like mercury. But it is nice to check out. I like this stuff. Pretty cool. Might have to think of something else to do with it. Anyway, hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on pouring lead. I'll try to do some more of that. I'll figure out what I want to make and maybe make something else out of lead. Pretty cool. Take care and be careful.